Are you serious?
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Bro.
Source, radar.
I didn't even see the notification.
Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Shreveport, Bossier City, Mansfield, Houghton, Greenwood, Stonewall, Fosters, Eastwood, South Mansfield, Peachy, Grand Cane, Frierson, Forbing, Keyville, Robson, Kingston, Taylortown, Gloucester, Reed Store, and Kickapoo.
Ooh.
Turn around. Don't drive encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 2:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time Tuesday for the following parishes in Louisiana: Bossier, Caddo, and DeSoto.
Nine at the plate.
Wow, okay, I'm turning Shreveport notifications on.